Let's draw the bond line diagram of 2,7-dimethyl 4-propyl octane. We can draw these carbon atoms in zigzag fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's attach the other groups. At position number 2 and 7, we have methyl groups. We can label from any side of the chain. If we choose from the left, this is position 2. So here we have a methyl group. That's it. Here also we will attach a methyl group. Then at position number 4, we have a propyl group. Propyl group means 3 carbon atoms. So at position 4, we will say 1, 2, 3.